If you no longer need your Temu account, or maybe you're using another platform for shopping and you no longer find Temu useful, then this is the tutorial that you need to delete your account. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. First up, you're going to head over to temu.com by typing it in your browser. And then from there, you're going to head over to the top toolbar right here. And then you will see this name that you currently have. This is your profile. You're just going to hover your mouse over it, and then from there, from the menu that appears, you're going to click on your profile. Now once you're on your profile page, you're going to click on account security from the left side panel or the left side pane. Now from here, you're just going to scroll all the way down until you find this delete your Temu account option. So you're just going to click on that. Now, you will be taken to this page which says how to delete your Temu account. Dear customer, you're about to submit a request for us to permanently delete your Temu account. If you proceed, Temu will delete the data and content in your account in accordance with applicable law and as described in the privacy policy. This includes communication records, files, and images, as well as any unused coupons and credits which no longer be usable after your account is deleted. Please be aware that you will no longer be able to make purchases on the Temu app or the Temu.coms once your account is deleted. So you're just going to make sure that you understand this letter. And then before permanently deleting your Temu account, you have to review your account one more time first and confirm that all information in your account can be deleted forever. And then you also have to check that there are no incomplete or post sale orders or ongoing process on your account, as you will not have access to them after you delete your account. So make sure that you no longer have any existing orders, or if you don't have any orders incoming to your address. Now you can also use any available coupons and credits before deleting your account, as they will not be available anymore. So that would be such a waste, so make sure that you use up any available coupons and credits first. Now, once you're done reading all of this and you have verified that all of these are done, and you no longer have any existing orders or credits in your account, then you can just click on this "I want to permanently delete my Temu account" and then click on continue. Now once you hit on continue, it will proceed to deleting your Temu account, and that's it. Your account will not be deleted. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. And if you need more tutorials, you can just check out our channel for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.